into my email came in direct from the International Criminal Court as ICC, Kony case. Confirmation of charges hearing to commence in absentia on the 9th of September 2025. It's a press release which was released on the 12th of December 2024. The 12th of December, Pre-Trial Chamber 3 of the International Criminal Court, ICC, or the court, scheduled the confirmation of charges hearing in the case the prosecutor V05 or prosecutor versus Joseph Kony to commence on the 9th of September 2025. In the absence of this suspect, the chamber is set this date in light of its duty to ensure that sufficient time is provided to, number one, the prosecution to properly implement the instructions given in separate decisions regarding the disclosure of evidence and the resubmission of the document containing the charges. And then the second reason is the defense to adequately prepare for the confirmation of charges hearing. Practical information, in particular on how to attend or watch the hearing, will be provided closer to the day. The chamber also directed the registry to complete notification and outreach activities in respect of the new date for the confirmation of charges hearing within 30 days starting from 6th January 2025 and to report on it to the chamber no later than the 14th of February 2025. The Rome Statute allows for the confirmation of charges proceedings at the pretrial stage in the absence of the suspect and specific conditions. In this case, the chamber found that, number one, Mr. Kony is a person who cannot be found within the meaning of Article 61(2)(b) of the ICC Rome Statute. Then secondly, all reasonable steps to secure his appearance and to inform him of the charges and the date of the confirmation of charges hearing, initially scheduled for 15th October 2024 and now set to commence 9th September 2025, have been taken. And number three, there is cause to all the confirmation of charges hearing in absentia. The purpose of the information of the confirmation of the charges hearing is to determine whether there is sufficient evidence to establish substantial grounds to believe that the person committed each of the crimes charged. If the charges are confirmed, the case can only proceed to trial stage if the accused is present before the trial chamber, meaning that would mean a must for Joseph Kony to be arrested. Now, ICC has also reminded us on the background of the Kony case. Let's take a look at this. The warrant of arrest for Joseph Kony was issued under seal on the 8th July 2005, amended on 27th September 2005, and unsealed on 13th October 2005. He is suspected of 12 counts of crimes against humanity, that is murder, enslavement, sexual enslavement, rape, inhuman acts of inflicting serious bodily injury and suffering, and 21 counts of war crimes, including murder, cruel treatment of civilians, intentionally directing an attack against a civilian population, pillaging, inducing rape, and forced enlistment of children, allegedly committed in 2003 and 2004 in northern Uganda. On 12 September 2024, Pre-Trial Chamber 3 postponed the commencement of the confirmation hearing in the Kony case, initially scheduled for 15 October 2025, following the defense, prosecution, and the Office of the Public Counsel for Victims' Observations. On the 29th of October 2024, Pre-Trial Chamber 3 decided that all the requirements to hold a confirmation of charges hearing in the absence of the suspect Joseph Kony were met. Pre-Trial Chamber 3 is composed of judges Althea Violet Alexis Windsor, presiding judge Lulia Antoinella Matok, and Hakel Ben Mofford. So that is it, direct from the ICC into our inbox or mail. Joseph Kony issue coming 2025. Confirmation of charges hearing within his absence. Remember, they've said Kony is a person who cannot be found.